Hello everybody, I'm UK. Today I'm going to be trying some new products I've just got from Groomie. I've been using the Baldie Pro every day since I bought it almost 2 months ago now. This I think is the best head shaver in the world. I've done a full length review on it. You can go check that out on my YouTube if you're interested. But today I'm really excited. So we've got some grooming products and I'm going to go through them all in detail as I use them. But we're going to start with the natural pre-shaved oil. I hope you can see that. While I put this on and follow the instructions that I was sent, because this isn't my usual grooming procedure, I have dermatitis. So I have some psoriasis on my scalp, and it sometimes gets in my beard, and it's a real pain to deal with, and it can get quite painful, and it becomes quite obvious when you get these brown streaks down the top of your head. But apparently it's quite common in men in the late 30s, early 40s, and just got it out of the blue. And what I did was I was referred to by my dermatologist to use tea gel. Now, I don't know if you've ever had to use this stuff. This stuff is basically coal tar. You wash your head and beard with this. No woman in a million miles is going to come near you. My wife won't touch me. And this smells amazing, by the way. This smells incredible. Anyway, we've done the natural pre-shave oil. That's step one. I think we kind of let this sit for a second. I'm going to try this new routine and see if we can get some of my dermatitis and psoriasis under control a little bit more naturally. The thing with these Groomie products is they're all made in the USA, which is key, and they're all paraben free. So they've got none of that nasty junk that you get in, most commercial type products are just going to be full of parabens and unnatural ingredients. There are no parabens, no preservatives, no artificial fragrances. So totally natural. And I've got it all over my hand and it smells so good. I'm not usually one for smells, but that one smells really good. Next step, we're going to use the Groomie Natural Shave Gel. That's this one here. Hope you can see that. And this one is unscented, and again, no parabens, no artificial stuff. I think we go a little bit more liberally with this. So I'm going to kind of go a little bit ham and see how we do. At this point, I'm going to take my glasses off. I won't be able to read the labels anymore, but I can still smell that first one. It smells really good. Okay, that was the natural shave gel. I'll let that sit for a second or two. And then we get to the favorite bit. This is, I don't know why it's the favorite bit, but using the Groomie Baldie Pro is just become like such a fun thing. I love the fact that it's got the LED counter, which basically times how long it takes you. I always try and go a little bit faster and a little bit faster. So we'll give it a go with all this stuff in my head and we'll see how it feels, how it looks, and maybe it cuts better. I don't know how you can make this product any better, but apparently this stuff does. So let's find out, shall we? Future UK here. I just really wanted to let you know that this is absolutely not a sponsored review of any kind. These are my own thoughts and opinions while you sit here and watch me shave my head. I just wanted to make sure you understand that I bought my Groomie Baldie Pro with my own money from Amazon. Groomie didn't pay me to say any of these things. These are just my own thoughts and opinions. No money has changed hands. This is, again, all my own opinions. I am 4 hours or so after filming this video and my head feels fantastic. So just want to throw that out there. Enjoy the rest of the video. 2 minutes. Ooh. I like that. That feels pretty good. I'm not sure if it, yeah, actually it does. It feels a little bit shorter actually. I didn't think you could get even shorter with this thing. And the irritation. See, I am a little bit sunburned as well. I'm sure you can see. I've got all kinds of weird colors and stuff. I'm sunburned. I got a little bit of dermatitis, but the irritation is, especially around the back of the neck, that feels so much better. We like it. The natural shave gel. Okay, we really, really like that. Let us try the final step. This is the natural aftershave serum. I believe this is the last step in the process. Let's give it a go. Yeah, that feels good. Smells so good as well. That first one, remember that first one was the natural pre-shave oil. This stuff smells so good. It's like all I can smell. It's fantastic, so good. All right, let's give this aftershave a bit of a This is the first time in my adult life I've put aftershave on my head. Not gonna lie, it feels kind of nice. I like this. I like where we're going with this, Groomie. Yeah. Woo, I'm in my pajamas. I'm in my pajamas. I feel like I should be going out right now. How does it look? I think we did a pretty good job. Okay, so here's my plan. I'm gonna do this routine for a week. And then after a week, I'm gonna come back to you guys. I'm gonna put my glasses on because I can't really see what I'm looking at. So after a week, I'm gonna come back to you guys and I'm gonna give you an update. I'm gonna let you know how it went, how my dermatitis is coming. I'm not saying this is medicated or anything. I'm not saying there's any kind of, magical powers that can beat my specific psoriasis or dermatitis. But I'm kind of overusing some of these heavily medicated shampoos. I really just want to try like more natural products. I'm not expecting this to like magically cure all of my things. But again, aloe, natural ingredients, no parabens, just keep it all clean, all natural, and just see how it goes. Because I haven't gone down that route yet, and I'm going to hopefully see what an all natural, made in USA head skincare routine looks like. So stay tuned for an update. Thanks again, Groomie. You make the best head shaver on the planet. I love this thing, and I hope I can say the same about these products in the next week or so. So thank you so much for watching. I've been UK. You've been fantastic. I'll see you in the next one.